We have stopped over here. We're not so sure what this place is called, but this part or area of this place has a lot of eatery which offers talaba or oyster. So we will taste that over here and we will try to check how much it is. Magkano tong ganto, te?
30, ma'am.
30. Yung ito?
200.
200. Ayun yung kasama ko. Nauna na.
Okay, ma'am. Siya, ma'am. Dinuguan, pork chop. Ginamos tahong, ma'am. Ginamos talaba. Dito sa ano, ma'am, marami na dito.
Sa inyo lang to, te?
Opo.
Kayo na nag-cultivate.
Ano, ma'am, ga-deliver lang po kami, ma'am. Order lang kami.
Okay. So iba yung lugar.
Oh, ma'am. Iba talaga, ano, ma'am.
Saang lugar, te? Yung
Dito,
mga supplier ng ano?
Hinigaran City, ma'am.
Fresh, guys. Tastes good. Different from what's back home. I was quite intrigued that one oyster, it's a cluster over here. Because back home, you only get to have one large sized oyster, but this one has a cluster over here. So round 2 of eating this. Hey there, guys! So we are here at a Cansi house called Eron's. I know that you are much familiar with the Sharon's, but let's try something else. Sharon's is apparently closed. Here we are. We are finally trying Cansi over here at Eron's, and there are a number of people inside, so I think something good to try. So guys, we are just gonna order Cansi. I know it's a large serving, so I think that's fine. So I mean, we're here for that, right? So we're getting Cansi definitely. So guys, this is high blood station. This is cholesterol overload for tonight. So we are gonna enjoy our dinner first, and then I will tell you more about this. So guys, we are done at Eron's. Just a quick dinner, and we are traveling to more south for tonight. So it was a good meal, and you did see those beefy, flavorful dish of Cansi here in Bacolod. Bacolod is famous for that. So guys, if you would want to eat Cansi and bond of those kinds of dishes, do comment below.
Parang addict naman.
Alam mo, parang kinikilig ka na. Parang kaya ko kaya.
Blurred man na.
Dili ra.
Lagay mo addict nito. Ilagay mo dito. 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 Ilagay mo.
Oh my God! Nabali na yung frog!
Addict.
Parang kaya ko naman to prito.
You're not really fun.
Ito ba chicken?
Di ba? Bagulong ka tilapin na rito nga paka. Kasi ito yung...
Namin ka na yung prito nga baka arangay ng isa. Hasta iya nga. Kuha na iya nga tulaan mo. Pwede mo makaroon kay gira ko mo. Yung tulaan niya, wala ka na usik. Wala na iya usik. Kaya kahulong mo na na itanan niya. Lahat kainin mo.
Ah, kahit buto?
Kahit buto ya. Makain mo kay gagawin. Gagawin man. Nalihan ka crunch man sa. Crunchy wala.
Masarap ang prito.
Kaya mo yun.
Huwag muna, prito muna. Kaya. Harap.
Pero parang mayakang lana.
Masarap ang prito. Hindi ko lang alam kung adobo kaya. Ito pala yun, guys. Yung mga laman niya po, like sa tiyan, ganyan, wala na. Tinanggal na yan.
Mayroon ng kuwan niya.
Ito. Ito.
Yung kumbaga sa may manok, batibulon.
Oo.
Alam mo dyan. Masarap yan.
Ito. Kainin mo.
Ah, dyan.
Hindi naman yan mapiprito.
Nandiyan sa adobo.
Nakilabutan po ako. Yan yung ganahan mo eh.
So, ano?
Mas nafe-feel ko na pala ka siya pag-adobo.
Kasi,
Ano parang lang siya.
pero yung ano, lasa.
Yung regular adobo.
Regular nga.
Adobo.
Na manok. Hindi man yan maano, basta matigas ang ngipin mo. Yung kanyang ngipin, hindi na pwede yung ngipin niya.
if you did enjoy, like and subscribe for new videos.